guys, let's have a look at our onboarding, training and onboarding template in Notion for our new team members this first week. So we've got a bunch of information here that we need to structure and that we need to then deliver to our new team members. So what's important is that we put things in order and that we give them an order of priority based on what we want them to do in order to get the greatest benefit from watching these videos or consuming this content. So we start here with our welcome to the team part section, and we explain briefly, what we want them to do. Then as we click on each one of these toggles, we'll have different bits of content. So for example, as we have the start here video, that's a video just showing how to use this page. And then we go into the other parts where I've divided it in what the outcome is for the first sort of section. Then there's a video explaining how you can achieve these. Then we've got another one here that's importance of consistency. Again, we've got a video, and then we go into our let's test your knowledge section, in which you'll see there's an embedded form, and the answers from this form will go into a Google spreadsheet. It's an automation, and once they get there, we're going to show in a different video how we can use a tool called Zapier to then send them to a database in Notion so that we can keep track of who's finished which parts of the training, and that way we can track what everyone else is doing and how far everyone's come in the training process. Again, we've got here how to communicate, we've got another video, and then we've got a couple of things here, because then all this section will be before they get there on day one for the shift. So we have here once they arrive on at the shift, there's a couple of checkboxes here that they need to make sure they complete before they arrive. When they arrive, right? So just to, again, keep that consistency going. Then my manager at the time would have the same list and would have access to the same document. So all they would have to do was pull up the document from this person and then check, go through this with them together. And then, same thing applies for day 2 and so on and so forth. This is really useful to keep that level of consistency across the board with matching what the managers will be talking about or showing them in the first day, as well as the person who has to do some pre-work before they come in on the first day, so everyone's on the same page. And then the good thing as well is that if someone has not completed any of these, then the manager or the person who's training them on the shift or at work will quickly realize that they just did not watch any of the videos or consume any of the content, which, well, it's great for you because then you know what kind of person you got in front of you, and you can basically just let them know that that's not the standard, and that if they don't meet the standards, this is not the place for them to be in. Hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you in the next video.